Greetings, astronauts. Chris here. Today, I'll walk you through the essential steps to verify your email sending domain for your new Engine Mailer account. Let's dive in. To begin, click on the account icon at the top right corner and select Domain Verification. Next, click Add Domain. Type your domain name into the text box and click Add Domain. Then, enter your email address for the domain and click Send Validation Email. Before verifying your domain, let's complete the email validation. Go to your email inbox, open the verification email, and click Verify Domain Name. You'll be redirected to a confirmation page. Click Let's Go to proceed. In the email validation section, a green check mark should appear to confirm completion. Once your email is validated, you can start sending email campaigns from Engine Mailer. However, to send higher volumes and improve your deliverability, it is recommended that you verify your DNS settings. To verify your domain, there are two ways to proceed. The first option is to log into your domain registrar's portal and manually add the required DNS records provided by Engine Mailer. Alternatively, you can ask your IT team or hosting provider to handle it for you. To do that, click Send Instructions to me. A confirmation pop-up will appear. An instructional email from Engine Mailer will be sent to you. You can forward this to your IT team or hosting provider. Once the setup is done, return to the domain setup page on Engine Mailer and click Check DNS Records Now. If everything is correct, your DNS current values will be reflected on screen with green check marks, and your domain verification status will be active. To view your registered domains, return to the Domains overview. From there, you can add and verify as many sending domains as you'd like to send emails through Engine Mailer. Once setup is complete, your domain will be verified. This helps your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes, not their spam folders. These steps are key to protect your sender domain reputation and ensure smooth delivery of emails.